We'll guide you through how to remove the background from a signature in Word. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Word. So you're in the situation of where you've got a copy of your signature, but it's got the paper background and you want to go and remove it. We're going to guide you through this step by step. This is really convenient to do because after you've gone and removed it, we can go and save it and then easily go and access it again in the future, putting it onto documents and using it where we need to. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make this full guide and don't go and skip anything, as you may go and miss something important. So what you need to do is you need to come to the top of Word and you want to go and find the option for Insert. Now in here, you want to go and find the option for Pictures. And in Insert Picture From, you want to go and select this device. Now what you need to do is go and find it. So I've got it on my downloads here. So I'll then go and select it and go and press Insert. And as you can see, here it is. So what we're first of all going to do is go and right click on it and we're going to find Crop. And we're just going to go and remove the parts that aren't needed. So make sure you go and use these corner points, click, hold and drag on them like so. And you can go and remove any excess amount of image you don't need. So we can be a bit more precise as well. And then what you can do is go and hit enter and you've now gone and cropped it. Now you want to go and select it again, come into picture format at the top and come over to the left and click on corrections. And you can press picture corrections options at the bottom here. Now come over to the right and you want to go and I like to just max out contrast. As you can see, you can go and see if increasing the brightness makes it look better, but I sometimes find that it sort of dims down the actual signature itself. So then what you're going to want to do is you want to go and we'll just go and click off it and then click it again. And you want to come into picture format and you want to go over to the left and you can go and find the option for remove background and click there. Now this goes and opens up and you can go and see it's gone and selected the background. If you want to get more precise, you can go and zoom in the bottom right of Word and you're going to see it's missed a few parts. So what we're going to do here is go and click on mark areas to remove and you can then go and click just on those whites. It's done a pretty good job, to be fair. If it does too much as well, press keep areas to remove and you can go and click on them. So it got some of my signature here. When you finish doing the marking, you can press keep changes in the top left. And as you can see, there it is. And then to easily move it, what you can do is you can go over to the right and go and find layout options and just go and select square and text wrapping. And I can then go and maneuver it. And what you can do is go and save it by right clicking on it. And you can go and press save as picture. And then what you can do is go and easily go and save it so you can go and use it again in the future.